What's going on, everyone? You're back with your boy Jono for another quick math lesson. Today we're going to look at something called sliding scale commission, and this is how commission works in the real world. Last lesson we saw that commission is a percentage based on how much you sell. So it's there to incentivize employees to work as hard as they can because the sales are directly tied to the amount of money that they make. The only difference between last lesson, which was just commission, and sliding scale commission is that the sliding scale means the percentage changes at specific selling points. So this could mean someone might make extra money if they work really, really hard, and the commission percentage could go up. An example for us is, imagine that you're trying to sell your house and the market value is $650,000, which is heaps of money. You hire a real estate agent and you say, hey, I'll give you a 2% commission for every dollar up to $650,000. But if you work really, really hard and go find extra money, instead of giving you 2%, I'll give you 4% for every dollar above that market value. This is a win-win because you're selling your house for more money, you're going to make more, and the real estate agent's going to be happy because they're going to get a higher percentage of money for every dollar that they extract out of the market. In that example, we're going to say the house sold for $730,000. So how much commission does the real estate agent make? So for the first $650,000, we had 2% of the money. So all we've got to do is calculate that percentage. 650,000 multiplied by 0.02. That's equal to $13,000. That's their base rate. That's what they would have got if they got no extra money except for the market value. But now we're saying, oh, they definitely made us more money, and they made us an extra $80,000. The way that we work that out is the actual selling price, the $730,000, minus the $650,000, so $80,000 is left. That's what they earned on top of that market value price. Now, this is the extra money for every dollar more. So instead of getting 2% for this value, we get 4% commission. So 80,000 times by 0.04. So twice as much percentage for this last bit of cash. That's equal to $3,200. So our total commission amount for the real estate agent is the baseline $13,000 plus the $3,200. So they made $16,200. So it's a bonus of about $1,600, which is a pretty good get for that real estate agent. And then as the seller, you sold your house for more money as well. So for this one, we've got the opposite example. Once you hit a threshold, instead of getting paid more commission, you're going to get paid less. Sometimes businesses will do this just to make sure the employees aren't making too much cash. For this question, we've got 8% for the first $2,000 that we sell and 5% for every dollar after that. This one's also got a $300 a week retainer, which we're going to add on. So just imagine that everything here is, hey, how much do we make in 1 week? So what we've got is 8% for the first 2,000, 5% for everything after that, $2,800 in sales, and a $300 retainer. The first thing we've got to do is find that baseline rate. So the 2,000 at 8%. So this is 2,000 times 0.08, which is equal to $160. Now, how much more did we sell over that $2,000 amount? 2,800 minus 2,000 will give us that $800, and this is what we're making 5% on. So for that 800, we've got to multiply it by 0.05, and that leaves us with $40. We've got to remember though that we did get that $300 retainer at the start of the week. So our total earnings for the whole week is the $300 plus 160 plus 40. So we made $500 for the whole week, including everything. As a quick recap, these are our 4 steps that we're going to look for in these questions. The first one is, hey, just find out the normal commission rate. How much is that baseline at the first percentage point? Then we've got to work out the difference. How much extra did we sell? And that is our total minus that baseline number. Then we've got to find out the special commission of that extra money we earned. And then we've got to add it all together, remembering to include the retainer if possible. Thanks so much for watching this lesson, guys, and I'll see you later.